Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am teaching you how to set a web store and fulfill engine to allow for pickups at the production facility. And so the first thing we're going to do is select the account on which you would like to allow pickups. So I'm in one here. Now we're going to go to Tasks. We're going to go to Edit Account Flags. And you're going to make sure that you have this checked right here, allow shipment for pickup. Once that's been checked, go ahead and hit save. Next, you're going to go into the store and scroll down until you hit shipping methods. Go ahead and click that. Now we're going to add a shipping method, and we are going to select pickup. And from here, if you would like, you could put in the address on where the pickup is going to happen. And then go ahead and click save. And at that point, you should be able to have your customers select pickup instead of shipping. Thanks for watching.